This moment still hits harder every time. When Hiccup and Toothless reunite, it's not just a dragon meeting his rider, it's two best friends finding each other again after learning how to let go. Notice how Toothless hesitates for a second, like he's making sure this is really Hiccup. And when they lock eyes, no words needed. This reunion reminds us that real bonds don't fade with time or distance. True friendship always finds its way back. And honestly, this scene proves How to Train Your Dragon isn't just a kid's movie. It's a story about love, growth, and never forgetting where you came from.